Hi, I'm Garrett Hefner with Hankook Tire. I'm here showcasing our DynaPro line of off-road tires, starting here with our AT2 Extreme. This is our kind of all-around, if you're driving your rig every day, you're not doing serious off-roading, but you want something you can rely on for the mud and the snow. We've got up to a 70,000 mile warranty on this tire, a 3-peak mountain snowflake rating. You get super long life out of it. It's an awesome tire for everyday driving and for when you want to get away. We make this as small as to fit on your Subarus and as big as 35 1250s. So from your Subaru to your pickup truck, this tire's got you covered. It's the perfect tire for van life. We've got all the sizes and fitments for the major popular vans like Sprinters, Transits, ProMasters. So if you want a tire you're confident in, but that's comfortable to drive to your next destination on the highway, the AT2 Extreme. If you're looking for something a little bit more aggressive, a little more off-road performance, but you don't want to lose that on-road comfort and stability, our DynaPro XT is the perfect hybrid terrain tire for overlanding. Super stable, super quiet on the road. You get a 50,000 mile treadwear warranty, long life and even wear. You retain that 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, but you get that more aggressive off-road performance, and a tire you can trust in the real backcountries. And for all you serious off-roaders out there, rock crawling and mud terrain, this is our DynaPro MT2. It's our most aggressive tread pattern. We've got 3-ply sidewalls, all reinforced on all 3 of these tires. This tire is going to be really quiet for a mud terrain, so if you are driving on road and you don't want to hear that hum and drum, we've got you covered there. We also get really even wear out of this tire, so you're going to have the same performance from the day you buy it until the day you buy the next set.